Are BONOSS wheel spacers safe?
2023 Toyota Sequoia wheel spacers are exactly safe. If you use forged hub-centric spacers rather than casting lug-centric spacers, the wheels are attached to the new wheel studs with the OEM lug nuts. Two sets of wheel studs create a strong wheel connection that is firm enough to support the weight of the vehicle. Therefore, the wheel studs are among the most important parts which secure the wheels. Grade 12.9 wheel studs are considered to be the top quality studs in the auto industry. They have a minimum tensile strength of 1,220 megapascal. The higher the tensile strength, the more tensile stress that the studs press in the 2023 Toyota Sequoia wheel spacers can withstand before failure.
When you are ready to level up your off-roading vehicle, you may want to add wider tires on the stock rims, but the wheel offset is not ideal as you want. To avoid larger tires rubbing against the fender, you need to invest in new wheels with less back spacing or buy a wheel spacers.
BONOSS has over 10 years of professional design and manufacturing experience. We have sufficient inventory to ensure faster delivery and customize wheel spacers only in 3 days. After-sales warranty for 10 years will be more rest assured.
For more information, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.